Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, we are going to draw something different, which is a Madhubani painting, and it's an Indian folk art. So let's see how I made this and what other things I used. So the first thing is very basic, which is a protector, compass, pencil and all, and these micron pens or any fine liners. If you don't have all these, don't worry. You can use this CD marker or any black gel pen or dot pen. I'm using this watercolor from DOMS, but you can use any watercolor or sketch pens as well. This notebook from the Brustro brand, which is in A5 size, and it has very thick sheets. So let's start making Madhubani painting. And if you find this art beautiful, don't forget to like and subscribe.